Turd Bird Comedy Productions presents Trevor, Two Teeth, and Pinky. Enjoy.
Hey, Trevor. Hey, what's up, buddy? What's up, man? Hey, listen. I am fucking fiending right now, dog. I am fiending right now. Please tell me you can find some of that good. Please tell me you can find some of that good. Please. Please. Fuck yeah. Yeah. I can get some of that good shit. That good shit, son. Like, you snort it, you feel it in your bones, your fucking balls start tingling. But I'm telling you, it's good shit, man. It's killer. It's fucking, it's steep, though. Steep. Very steep. But I'm telling you, it's fucking worth it. It's worth it. And you have to, I'm getting kind of low, so you're going to have to break me off a line. But let's go. Fuck yeah, son. Fuck yes. Hey, alright, dog. Alright, I'm on my way right now. Don't fucking go nowhere. Don't go nowhere, dog. I'm telling you, I'm on my way right fucking now. I'm getting in my truck right now and I'm heading your way, okay? Yes! You are the fucking man. What's up, you motherfucker? I'm here, dog. I'm here. I'm on your fucking driveway right now. Let's go. God damn. That's fucking fast. You're fucking driving a fucking race car, aren't you? Hey, you wanna come in and do a quick bump? Goddamn, yeah, I want a bump. Yeah. Hey, I'm just playing. I ain't got none. We gotta go pick some up, though. You wanna go pick some up? Oh, yeah, that's why you're here. Alright, I'm on my way. I'm gonna kill you, motherfucker. Here I am, bitch. You ready? You only got 2 teeth. Huh? You only got 2 teeth. Yeah, I know that motherfucker. Come on, god damn it. I'm fucking fainting. Jesus Christ. Where are we going? I'm just fucking with you. I know. Come on. Like 10 minutes down the road. I'm going to beating your fucking ass today, Trevor. I can fucking feel it. Fucking feel it. What? Look at me. I'm a fine-tuned machine, dude. I'm unstoppable. Like, look at these muscles. You better watch yourself. I don't have time. I ain't got time to fuck with you right now, Trevor. Let's go get this shit. Let's go get this shit. God damn it, let's go. Where are we going? I know where we're going. Just fucking with you. Let's go, hurry. I need a line. Alright, right here. This is where we're going? Right here. Okay. I'm fucking ready, dude. I need to do a line like now. Okay? He gonna let us try this shit out? Cause I ain't buying it. Unless we can try it, I'm not fucking buying it. Okay? You wanna try it first though. Yeah, okay. That's fine. But listen, this ain't your typical dealer. It's really, really cool. Really cool. But just go with the flow. Let's go with the flow, dude. If he grabs your dick, don't freak out. It's just something he does. Okay? Let's go. There he is. I love this fucker.
Trevor, my friend, my pal, how you doing? Love. I feel the love.
You know I love you, motherfucker. You know I love you. Hey, Pinky, I need you. I don't need you to, but I'd like for you to meet Two Teeth.
Hello there, Two Teeth. Are you related to Two Chains by chance?
It's not Two Teeth. It's Tony. Fuck you, Trevor. But nice to meet you, Pinky. Nice to meet you.
Well, hello there, Tony. Come here, big guy. Come here. Give me a hug. Give me a hug.
Hey, Pinky. Touch his dick. Touch his dick. No, I'm cool. I'm cool. I don't want to hug, and you don't have to touch my dick, Pinky. I promise. It's there. It's there. I promise. I'll tap it for you.
Well, alrighty then. Do you boys want the brown or the white?
Holy shit! I told you, Two Teeth. I told you, buddy. You got the good shit. Love you, Pinky. Is it alright if we test the product before making our purchase?
I wouldn't expect it any other way, Two Teeth.
Hell yeah. Break me out of line, Pinky. Break me out of line. Whichever one's the best, the brown or the white, I don't care. Just give me whichever one's better, buddy. Whichever one's better. Give me the good shit.
Alrighty, Trevor, my friend. You are about to take a ride on the White Lightning. Get ready. Yeah.
There's no way it's any better than that fucking Will Smith smack from last week. That shit was good. But it doesn't matter how good it is. You know, Trevor here, I'm gonna take it like a champ, son. Alright, here we go. White lightning. There we go. Alrighty. I want everything you got.
That'll be 5 G's, Two Teeth.
Okay, I ain't got that. I want $100 worth.
No problem, my friend. No problem at all. I'll get that bagged up for you.
Trevor.
Don't you worry about him, Two Teeth. He's gonna be down there a while. Here you go, my friend. It was good doing business with you.
Thank you, Pinky. It was nice meeting you, my friend. Nice meeting you.
Deuces, my homie. Deuces.
Deuces. Deuces.
Well, Trevor, my friend, you know the rules. You pass out in the kitchen, you get teabagged. Go to YouTube and subscribe to Turd Bird Comedy and turn on notifications.